In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively navigate and utilize manage.wix.com for live streaming purposes. We'll walk through each step clearly and thoroughly, ensuring that by the end of this tutorial, you have a firm grasp on how to make the most of this platform. So let's dive right into it. First things first, head over to the wix.com website. If you haven't already signed in, you'll want to log into your account. This is your starting point and an essential step as it gives you access to all the features and tools Wix has to offer. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, a central hub from which you can manage all aspects of your Wix site. Next, direct your attention to the video library. This section of your site's dashboard is where all your videos and video-related settings reside. Simply click on Video Library to open it up. This is an integral part of the process because this is where you will manage your video content, including live streams and recorded videos. With the video library open, the next step is to find and click on Livestream. This feature allows you to set up and manage your live streaming sessions directly through Wix, making it incredibly convenient if you're planning to broadcast live content on your site. The live stream option should be clearly visible in your video library interface. Once you're in the live stream menu, you'll have the option to click on desktop. This is where you'll get into the specifics of setting up your live stream. A crucial step here is choosing a streaming service you'd like to use. You have several options like YouTube Live, Facebook Live, and Vimeo Live, among others. Select the one that best fits your needs or preferences. The next move is to connect the stream. To do this, you will need to enter your stream URL or the embed code provided by your chosen live platform. This step links your external streaming service with your Wix video player, ensuring that the stream is correctly displayed on your site. Take your time here to ensure that the URL or code is accurately entered to avoid any disruptions during your live stream. After setting up the connection, you're all set to go live, and hit go live to begin broadcasting. If you're using platforms like YouTube, Zoom, or any other streaming tool, this is when you start the broadcast on those services. Viewers on your Wix site will now be able to see your live stream directly on the web page. That's it. With this guide, you're now equipped to use the manage.wix.com platform to set up and broadcast live streams with ease. I hope this tutorial has been clear and helpful. Happy streaming!